Welcome back, friends. Just wanted to demonstrate, I got this new feature on my Cybertruck this morning, and wanted to show you. There's a parking spot that I have here, and I'm going to let the truck park itself in my parking spot. Maybe. I don't know why it was braking so hard there. It was just showing somebody outside. No hands. Alrighty, that's it. Let me put it in park. Okay.
That was impressive.
That was impressive.
Take care.
Take care, Natika.
Ooh, there's a bug in here.
We can show video in the. There you have it, friends. All by itself.